Hello, this is Kenneth Wong, a Burmese American writer and Burmese language instructor. When you talk about taking action, about doing something, whether it's eating dinner, drinking beer, or reading a book, you might want to be able to describe these actions not just in past, present, and future tenses, but in different stages. For example, I haven't had dinner yet, I'm about to drink beer, I'm drinking beer right now, or I've finished reading the book. In this lesson, I'll teach you the basic structures you need to say these things in Burmese. Let's take the case of buying movie tickets. The word for movie is Yoke. The word for ticket is lethmal. Put it together. The word for movie ticket is Yoke lethmal. One more time, Yoke lethmal. And the verb to buy is wear. So, to say buy a movie ticket, you'll say Yoke lethmal wear. One more time, Yoke lethmal wear. There. The last particle in the sentence puts the event either in the past or the present tense. So this could be buy a movie ticket or bought a movie ticket. If this is about buying a movie ticket in the future, you'll need to end it with the sentence and meh, the future sentence and particle. So will buy a movie ticket will be Yoke lethmal wear meh. Where is the subject I, you might ask? Well, it's implied, not stated explicitly. Now, this is a perfectly natural way to speak in Burmese. If the context makes it clear that you are the I in the conversation, that is, you're talking about you buying a movie ticket, you don't really have to include the word I, which is chano for men and chama for women in polite form. At any rate, for now, let's just use Yoke lethmal wear as the basic structure to start off from. Now, if you want to say you're buying the ticket, that is, an action that is in progress, all you have to do is add one simple particle behind the verb, following the verb. That is the particle ne. So you change the verb from where to where ne. One more time. Change it from where to where ne to show that the action of buying is in progress, is continuing. Yoke lethmal wear ne de. Yoke lethmal wear ne de. That means I'm buying a movie ticket. A note on the pronunciation. The verb wear and the last sentence end for the affirmative sentence particle de. The vowel sound in it sounds like bear, the creature, or fair as in county fair. So it's where and de. On the other hand, ne, the particle that shows an action is continuing. Ne, the vowel sound in it sounds more like stay or Bay of Bengal in bay. So it's not we ne de, it's not where ne de, it's where ne de. If you want to say about to buy a ticket, then the particle you need is do, sometimes pronounced do. Just like the other particle, it comes after the verb. So you change the verb to buy, where to where do. Change it from where to buy to where do, about to buy. That shows the action is about to happen. Here's something important you need to remember with the use of the verb plus do or dot form. You also need to change the sentence end particle into the future particle, because when you're about to buy a movie ticket, you haven't really bought it yet, have you? You need to state it in the future tense. So instead of ending the sentence with de, you have to end with meh, the future sentence end. So put it all together, you would say Yoke lethmal wear do meh. One more time. Yoke lethmal wear do meh. That's I'm about to buy a movie ticket. Say you have bought the ticket already. The action is finished. Done. You need the particle be, the completed action particle following the verb. So you change the verb where to where be, have bought. With that particle, you also need to change the sentence end particle to be, the sentence end particle that shows the action has been initiated. It has started. So, put it together. Yoke lethmal wear BB. Yoke lethmal wear BB. That's how you'd say, I bought the movie ticket. This sentence end particle be, which shows the action has kicked off, has already begun, usually rounds out in cases where the completed action particle be is involved. So if you're a beginner, it's good to think of BB as an almost inseparable set. BB as together. Be careful with the pronunciation of BB as well. The consonants are different. The vowel tones are different. So it's not BB, it's not BB, it's BB. B is higher and B is long, lower, and lingering. Let's review the versions we've covered so far. Yokshinlema were. I buy a movie ticket. Yokshinlema where nere. I'm buying a movie ticket. Yokshinlema where dome. I'm about to buy a movie ticket. Yokshinlema where bibi. I've bought the movie ticket. Now how would you say I haven't bought the ticket yet? First, let's start by converting the affirmative to buy a ticket to not buy a ticket. So you change the verb from where to maware, the equivalent of changing buy to not buy. Then you end the sentence with the negative sentence end particle, bu. So, Yokshinlema maware bu, that means I don't buy a movie ticket. Here, you add one more particle, the particle that works like the word yet in English. That is they. So, put it all together. Yokshinlema maware they bu. That means I haven't bought the ticket yet. One more time. Yokshinlema maware they bu. I haven't bought the movie ticket yet. Let's review them all. Yokshinlema were. I buy a movie ticket. Yokshinlema where nere. I'm buying a movie ticket. Yokshinlema where dome. I'm about to buy a movie ticket. Yokshinlema where bibi. I've bought the movie ticket. And the last one. Yokshinlema maware they bu. I haven't bought the ticket yet. That's a pretty good range. Now let's try these structures with some other verbs in other scenarios. Let's talk about writing a letter. The word for letter is sa, and the verb to write is ye, sayere. That's how you'd say, I write a letter. Sayere. That's how you'd say, write a letter. When you're in the middle of writing it, to talk about it, you'd say, saye nere. I'm writing a letter. The particle ne that follows your verb ye to write shows the action is in progress. One more time. Saye nere. I'm writing a letter. Now if you're about to write the letter, it's saye dome. I'm about to write the letter. Saye dome. I'm about to write the letter. With that, the particle do that follows the verb ye and the future sentence end particle me are critical, so pay attention to that. How about finished writing the letter? Have written the letter. You would say, saye bibi. I have written the letter. Saye bibi. Written the letter. The pair bibi, the combo that include the completed action particle be and the sentence end particle be for actions that are already initiated, are the key to this structure. But if you haven't written the letter, you would say, Samaye debu. I haven't written the letter. Samaye debu. The negative verb maye, not right, and the not yet particle they, and the negative sentence and particle bu are the key to this form. So here are the variations while writing a letter. Sayere. I write a letter. Sayere. I write a letter. Saye nere. I'm writing a letter. Saye nere. I'm writing a letter. Saye rome. I'm about to write a letter. Saye rome. I'm about to write a letter. Saye bibi. I've written the letter. Saye bibi. I've written the letter. Samaye debu. I haven't written the letter. Samaye debu. I haven't written the letter. There's one more variation that is important to learn. That's a slightly different flavor of the last haven't done form. So the versions you have learned so far, Samaye debu and Yokshinlema maware debu. Let's take them separately. Samaye debu usually means you're the one who have decided it's not yet time to write that letter, or it's not that important yet, so you're the one putting it off. Similarly, Yokshinlema maware debu means you, judging the circumstances, the timing, and the people involved, chose to hold off on buying these tickets. In other words, that structure suggests you are the one who decided not yet to perform that action. So this structure is fine for saying, for example, I haven't made dinner because I'm not hungry yet, or no, I haven't done my homework because I have till next week, and so on. But what if you want to suggest you want to do something? You want to take that action. You just haven't gotten around to doing that yet. This is where Burmese speakers will use a slightly different form. They might say, Samaye ya debu. One more time, Samaye ya debu. That suggests you haven't gotten around to writing that letter, but you know you have to, and it's important. And instead of Yoke shin lema mawe debu, they'd rather say Yoke shin lema mawe ya debu. One more time, Yoke shin lema mawe ya debu. That means, hey, I know I need to buy that ticket, or hey, I remember I promised to buy the tickets, I just haven't gotten around to buying those tickets yet. That additional particle, ya, in Samaye ya debu and Yoke shin lema mawe ya debu is very important. This is subtle, but it does make a difference in some circumstances where you want to be clear. You're not deliberately putting off an action. Rather, you recognize the urgency or the need for it. You just haven't gotten around to doing it yet. Now, try experimenting these forms with some other verbs and nouns like nyaza sa, to eat dinner. Nyaza is dinner. Sa is the verb to eat. Or ye cho, to take a shower. Ye cho, to take a shower. For example, you might say, Nyaza sa nire, I'm eating dinner right now. Nyaza sa nire, eating right now. Or ye macho ya debu, I haven't had a chance to take a shower yet. Ye macho ya debu. And in reality, since it's now dinner time in San Francisco, I will say, Nyaza sarome, I'm about to have dinner, so namadwime. See you later.